Good day everyone, I am Benedor Pantao and for today's video I'm going to answer the week 9 chapter 5 in our topic multigrade. So let's begin. Encircle 10 words in the box that relate to assessment. So these are the 10 words that I have seen in the box. So first is assignment, authentic, monitoring, formative, checklist, skills, evaluation, portfolio, grade, and quiz. So next is we are on our way. 3 to 1 activity. So first, list down 3 ideas, concept that related to assessment. So first is diagnostic, next is formative, and then summative. Then number 2, list down 2 ideas, concepts that you would like to know more about assessment. So first is type of assessment, next is process of assessing. Then last is write down one idea concept about assessment which you think you have already mastered. So it is the diagnostic assessment. So next, what is the overall result of the assessment? So the overall result of the assessment were all good. There are small lapses. So next, what is the performance of the particular pupil? So the performance of the particular pupil is also based on his ability and level of his intellectual. It some matters, some factors such as time constraint and language barrier affects the performance of the pupils. So next, what were the responses to particular questions? Some of the responses were not that great due to language barrier and time constraints that enable some students not to get the learning outcomes. Last is what pedagogical decision should I take now based on the assessment result? So based from the result of the assessment, as a teacher I will employ various teaching strategies that would cater all the needs of my students amidst their difference. So, number one, differentiate monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in your simplest terminology. Show a situation in a class that you perform the three inside your multigrade class. So, assessment is about measuring the progress of student learning, while monitoring is the collection and review of existing data, and evaluation involves the collection, analysis, and interpretation of data in order to draw conclusions about the success of a program or project. For example, if you were told by the principal to monitor the performance of your students, so you assess and evaluate the learning of your students based on the data gathered. So number two, why should the assessment strategies align with the differentiated instruction approach used in multigrade classes? Assessment plays a critical role in a classroom that provides differentiated instruction. The data from assessments inform a teacher's decision making and help her make instructional choices that will support all students as they work toward proficiency of learning targets. Number 3, explain how monitoring, assessment, and evaluation in multigrade classes can be done effectively. Regular assessments allow you to identify success and areas where improvements can be made. Monitoring and evaluation can help to identify areas for improvement in order to achieve better results by consistently tracking progress against defined objects and implementing corrective actions when needed. And last is why is assessment important in teaching learning process? So, well-designed assessment methods provide valuable information about student learning. They tell us what students learn, how will they learn it, and where they struggle. That will be all. Thank you.